Okay, so now I will use a thinner paint will stick on a thicker paint. Maybe we start off from here, and let's have the sun in, let's do it this way. Maybe all that dark. Maybe I have a little bit of a sun in here, and a sun in the second tree. See, you have to decide and make it up so that it looks powerful. How about I will start off, and if it is not too good, then we can still cover it up. But you see, take a look. I take yellow and white. Take a good look here, and then I go into the magic white. Right in with all that paint. With all that paint, you don't have to worry. A thinner paint will stick on a thicker paint. You understand it? So this is a thinner paint, and it will stick, and you don't ruin the paint at all. You only have a bit. See, I have to make it a bit softer. You see, now look at that. A little touch softer, because that will stick on it. And now the sun, the happy sun, I hit it into that tree there. See? Oh, look at that sunshine in there. Oh God, and the sun fires into the water there. Can you see already? Can you see the beginning of a power? See? And then it got a bit dark around. Otherwise, there is never light if you have no dark. Don't even play. Light and light is light. Nothing and nothing is nothing. Okay? And here is light. If we want to have that almighty power, watch what I will create here. I just will show you. And it's always that little bit. What makes a good artist is if he has the guts to hold back. Always that little bit. With the little bit of love. With the little bit of luck. Okay. A little bit. A little bit, see, and then firing. I try to condition my sunshine first. Again, here, and a little bit of magic white into the brush. The same what you saw before, and then look at that. Make it nice, and the brush has. Look at that brush. It's an open brush. Can you see it? Nice open brush, and it's still like a dog paw. But it's thinner, and it wouldn't go. The brush will not be bent as much as when I have thick paint. Now I will say this side. This is the. Oh, look at that. Oh, whisper. See, the sun. The sun hangs in the tree. Oh God, there are so many wonderful songs about the sunshine. See, now I will fire in. I don't clean my brush. Keep your brush. I go right, take a look here. Go right into the red. Right into the almighty red. Go right into the almighty red. Now I will find colors. Autumn has all kinds of beauty, but have that dark here. See, maybe against that dark, I fire in a happy reddish tree there. They fired right into the water there. Can you see? Can you see how you build a painting? Then you fire in maybe a red here into that tree. And you see loose branches, always with the sun. Always with the sun. Cover up the tree trunk somewhere. See, there. See? Now this would show here. Actually, you don't worry, leave that dark here. I would not put any. The red on the side will show. The red on the side will show. Now I use all kinds of ochre colors. See, I go into the yellow again. So with the red, that gives you orange color. Can you see it? A kind of an orange color. Use all kinds. Autumn is just different all the time, you know. And create your little trees there. fire in here. If I didn't have that dark, I would never have light. See? Fire in here, sidewards, and the shoreline. See? I do it with the side movement of a brush. The side, and then I push it in a little bit. See? Oh, I love it. And you would love it. If you could work like that, then I think you would be happy. And you can't help selling your paintings because people will buy that. I promise you, they will buy it. Leave darks. You need darks in order to show that light. See, then you make a little shorter tree in here and leave that dark maybe all around there and create there a little bit of whatever. See, here this will be land. I don't have to fire back in again. Okay. I don't have to fire back in again. So here we create a little bit of, see? Now here you can have, again, shrubs on the bottom, long. See, there, and I made the side moves. The side moves there, look at that. Look at how nice you can fill in that land there. See? Can you see that? Beautiful. Wash out your brush sometime. You need a clean color again. And we lift up another little bit of a spot. We lift up another bit of a spot. Maybe here we go from this side already. There's a happy little tree, there's a happy little tree. This dark tree, we are all completely around autumn grout. You see, sometimes you make that tree standing out by putting all kinds of colors nice around that tree. Oh, that makes it nice. Here we put a little bit of autumn color in there. That tree again, I still would like to see that tree standing out there. And so that's why you do all those things. So. Here. You fire in the autumn colors in the water. And then maybe here you have an almighty bush there. A little bit of tones there. And you fire in there again. See? Good. Now I think we have roughly what we want.